no? Okay, ito parang na ano na natin to. My parents never married, can I still inherit from them? Well,
It's another angle on the same issue, yung kanina.
yes, oo. So, like we said earlier, no, um, there are two major classes of heirs, I would say. No, you have your compulsory heirs and then you have your ordinary heirs. No, so, and like I said, yung compulsory heirs, ito yung either pababa, descendants, o yung mga anak or whatever. Pataas, ascendants, magulang, lolo't lola. And then meron din tayo yung katabi, no, or yung surviving spouse, yung asawa natin, no. In this case, sabi niya my parents never married, so siya yung anak. Um, compulsory heir ka pa rin, sir, no? So ibig sabihin kasi pababa, no, anak ka pa rin, you can still inherit from them, no. Ang magiging tanong na lang is during that time, meron bang mga nagbago sa situation, no? Nag-asawa ba ng iba yung mga magulang nyo or what not, no? Doon natin malalaman kung how much or ano yung porsyento na mai-inherit nyo or mo from your parents, no? Depending on the situation. And of course, like I keep saying, in order for you to determine kung how much of the estate you can inherit, the best way is to consult a professional who does this every day, no?